The 2015 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, panoramic moonroof, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, cold weather package. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.